लैब ग्रोन डायमंड्स हैव चेंज्ड द डायमंड इंडस्ट्री फॉरएवर। ये अफोर्डेबल तो है ही, बट दे हैव आल्सो कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड द वे दे हैव बीन परसीव्ड diamonds since their origin.
lab grown.
वैसा ही मैं बताऊं, गुजरात में जो मेरा डायमंड का अनुभव रहा, आज दुनिया में 10 में से 8 डायमंड वो होते हैं जिस पर किसी न किसी हिंदुस्तानी का हाथ लगा होता है। दुनिया के 10 में से 8। अब उसका नेक्स्ट स्टेज मैं देख रहा हूं, और वो है ग्रीन डायमंड का, लैब ग्रोन डायमंड का। दुनिया में बहुत बड़ा मार्केट हो रहा है। मैं जब गुजरात था तो थोड़ी शुरुआत की थी, अब काफ़ी बढ़ रहा है, और आने वाले दिनों में लैब ग्रोन डायमंड में भी हम काफ़ी प्रगति करेंगे।
But that's not all. There's an underlying trust in the consumers for the lab-grown diamonds, and that is only growing. How? Because the lab-grown diamond industry stands on 5 unshakable pillars. Hi and welcome to Kala Mandir. आज हम बात करेंगे about these 5 pillars that have made the lab-grown diamonds an attractive alternative to the mined diamonds. The first pillar is quality assurance. With lab-grown diamonds, the same quality standards are followed as mined ones. They are graded using the same criteria known as the 4 C's: the cut, clarity, color and carat. So whether it is sparkle or the size, आप trust कर सकते हैं that lab-grown diamonds meet the same high standards as mined ones. उसके बाद आता है pillar number 2, sustainability commitment. When it comes to the lab-grown diamonds, the focus is on sustainability. The LGDs are produced in the lab using 100% green renewable energy, so that your budget-friendly alternative is also your nature-friendly. In fact, they were brought into the picture to reduce the harmful environmental impacts and preserve our planet's resources. अब हम बात करते हैं about the pillar number 3, that is consumers' trust. Trust is the utmost important thing in a relationship between a consumer and a lab-grown diamond producers. And transparency, accountability, certification के through ही lab-grown diamonds manufacturers earn the confidence of consumers, fostering trust in the integrity of the lab-grown diamonds. And now we'll be talking about the pillar number 4, that is transparency. Transparency is a guiding principle within the lab-grown diamond industry. Lab-grown diamond industry के origin से लेके production process तक की सारी clear and detailed information is accessible to the consumers. From the initial cultivation of the diamond seeds to the final stage of the cutting and polishing, every step is meticulously disclosed, empowering the consumers to make informed decisions. Last but not the least, we have the pillar number 5, that is authenticity.
असली डायमंड्स की सर्टिफिकेट होती है, इनकी है?
Yes sir. 100% certified.
ये सर्टिफिकेट सर्व करते हैं एज एन अनवेवरिंग गारंटीज, assuring consumers of the authenticity and quality of each diamonds they acquire. These pillars are precisely what attracted us to the lab-grown diamonds in the first place. We recognize the importance of offering our customers a sustainable and ethical alternative to the traditional diamonds without compromising on its quality and beauty of the diamonds. As proud members of lab-grown diamond industry, we want to ensure that each Kala Mandir lab-grown diamond is not only a symbol of elegance but also a testament of our unwavering dedication to the ethical practice. इसके बाद तो स्टोर विजिट करना बनता है ना. Check out our collection now.